how to add quadruple A record in GoDaddy. So what we want to do is load up the GoDaddy website, click on your name in the top right corner, and then go into My Products. So here from the products page, we want to find the domain for which we will add a quadruple A record, and then click on DNS. Now, these quadruple A records point your IP or your record to IPv6. So if we click on add new record here, for the type we can choose an quadruple A record, and here we'll have to type the name. So for the name we can do @ and here's where we set the value. You have to follow these set guidelines here for the value, and this is the time to live, how much time before this goes live. And after we have input the value here, we can just click on save, and that's going to add a quadruple A record in GoDaddy. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.